So hey Unit 2, today we're going to be making a origami fox, yay, or you could sabotage it. So first we're going to get a tiny one point and fold it up to the next point. And now we're going to fold this point to that point. So you've got this small triangle. We're going to fold this point to that point. I know a lot of folding points. Very harsh with those points. But anyway. And now we've got one side done. So we're going to turn it over and do the other side. Pause. And now we've got this triangle. And we're going to get this very thick side that I can't really find and fold it like that. So you can see there's a little purple, but you have to find the one that has like got this flap. You're gonna open it up and you're gonna try and push this a little. Okay, I'm gonna give you a lot, but then you can open up this mouth. You can try again.
And at the end, it looks like this.
Remember, pizza's good. But now, we'll be eats.